Morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Oh, how are you? I think all are
Fine.
happy after seeing your results. So congratulations to everyone for the wonderful result. So expecting the same, the highest scores, expecting the same in 11th and 12th also. Okay. And welcome Aryan Shaju,
Thank you, ma'am.
computer science class. So introduce yourself.
Well, I am Aryan Raju. I am from Mumbai.
Uh,
I studied SSC State Board for
and
10th.
Mumbai
And
itself.
yes,
Okay. Then.
my father works as a student welfare
Okay.
coordinator in Oxford School in Dubai.
Dubai. Okay. Very good. What's your
And
hometown?
hometown Kerala,
Kerala, where it is? Place?
Thrissur.
Thrissur. Okay.
Uh,
So don't have to worry about telling about computer science. We are just started with the Python program. So you'll be able to manage. It's okay. Only the computer fundamentals. Have you studied any programming language before in 10th or 9th?
no, I didn't study, ma'am.
No.
It's new.
Computer was not there in information technology. Nothing was there.
Uh, I didn't focus on that. It was not compulsory.
Okay. And one more question to you. Where you'll be after 10 years?
Pardon, ma'am, I didn't
Expected
get you.
to be.
I didn't get you.
Where you will be after 10 years? After 10 years, your expectation. You understood my question?
So you mean
After 10 years, where you will be? In which post you will be? Hello, Aryan.
yes, ma'am.
சொல்லுந்துரு
I'm asking you.
ചാർജ് പല മോട്ടർ പിടിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു
You understood? Who's talking in Malayalam there? Who's speaking? I already started recording. Okay. Aryan, you did not understand my question.
Miss, I did understand, but I'm thinking
The
what
question
to
is,
answer.
what is your ambition? So after 10 years means,
Ambition, I
yes.
wanted to do engineering.
So where you will be means where will be posted. Anyways, you want to become an engineer. So here or abroad,
Abroad, obviously.
Dubai.
Not Dubai. I wanted to go to US.
Okay, very good. That's what's my question. Where you will be after 10 years? That's my question. Okay. Okay. Now we'll come back to our Python language class. So we were studying about the Python basics. So we have seen the main as when we study a language like English language, when you study English language, you will learn the alphabets. The same way, when you learn Python language, the starting thing you have to do is you have to learn the different alphabets. So what is that in Python? Who can say, Meghna? What is this Python comprised of?
It's comprised token, keyboard, a keyword, and
Keyword,
identifiers.
identifiers. So what is the first thing? Like in English language, we'll say alphabets. So in the same way, what is it in Python? What is the word? The term, one term I
Characters.
said. Yes, very good. Character set. So character set means set of valid characters. You can't have a Malayalam letter in Python language. Set of valid characters which you use in Python is called character set. Which are they? Srihari. Yes.
I don't know, ma'am.
You were there in the previous class, right?
I forgot.
Oh, how should you should not forget. You should keep everything in your permanent memory. If you want to store everything in your permanent memory, what you have to do? You have to study it. That means whatever I said, you forgot. So it was there in your temporary memory. So everything got removed. Amal Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
character set. Example, one character. Example, you say. Forgot. You also forgot.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone? Achyut, Donna, Krishnandran, Aditya. Nobody is ready to say the answer right now.
AZ.
Yes, all the characters which you use, all the alphabets which you use in English language can be used in Python language. Capital A to capital Z, small letter A to small letter Z, all the characters which are available in keyboard, all are valid characters in Python. So we'll see it in detail. Okay. So what is Python character set? A set of characters recognized by Python. You know English language, you know Malayalam, you know Hindi. If you get some Chinese language letters, will you be able to identify? No. So set of characters which are recognized by Python are called as character set. Examples, letters from capital A to capital Z, small letter A to small letter Z, digits 0 to 9, not over. Special symbols, all the special symbols available in keyboard. Special symbols means brackets. It can be a round bracket or it can be a square bracket, curly bracket, comma, semicolon, full colon, everything. Whatever things you are seeing in the keyboard, normal keyboard, Windows keyboard is allowed in Python. White spaces, space bar. So you can't see anything on the screen. That means a white space. Blank space, tab key, carry util means enter key. And this new line again, enter key, form feed also. If you want to print it, that also available. So whatever things we have in your keyboard, all the letters are in a normal QWERTY keyboard. Why it is called QWERTY keyboard? Any idea? QWERTY. Who can say? The keyboard, our normal keyboard that we use, it is called as QWERTY, QWERTY, QWERTY keyboard. Any idea why it is called QWERTY keyboard? Achyut, yes, Achyut.
In the keyboard, they start with Q, W, E, R, T,
Yes,
Y
very good.
on
The
top.
starting letters are QWERTY. So the normal keyboard is the QWERTY keyboard, has Windows keyboard it is. So whatever the things, all these keywords you can use. Now understood, Srihari? Srihari?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't forget it. The basic things you should not forget. Okay. So if you forget all the alphabets of English language, how will you write English for examination? The same way, this is very important. Okay, next. Then Unicode, that is a different coding mechanism. Now, this I will tell you later because it's just a program. Then we will move to tokens. So what is a token? The smallest individual unit in program is called?
Tokens.
Tokens. It's like atom in chemistry, we'll say, molecules. So the tokens are divided into keywords, identifiers. So last class I have told you only few more other keywords. Aryan, are you able to follow me? Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Literals, operators, punctuators, and delimiters. So which are they? Keywords. I will explain to you. Last class I explained, I will explain again. Keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, punctuators, and delimiters. These are the different tokens available in Python. Now we'll come to keyword. Keyword means, I told you, for example, in English language, we have a word called am. So you can't use these words for any other purpose, isn't it? We usually use this kind of words for present tense. When you write the sentence in present tense, it can be present continuous or simple present. This is present continuous tense. So when you write the sentence like that, you will use this words. We don't use this for naming some persons. Am, are, what. We don't use it. So in that same way, in Python also certain words are there that are reserved words for a certain purpose. So you can't use this reserved word for some other purpose. Purpose is already defined. So you can't use it for any other purpose. That kind of words are called as, it's called as keywords. Examples we will see later. Identifiers like name, Donna, Aryan. So the names to identify something, they are called as identifiers. It can be you can have a number identifier, it can be a function identifier, method identifier. So that you can use in your program. So identifiers cannot be keywords. So keywords are used only for that purpose. Other than that, all the names words you can use as identifiers. Next comes literals. Literal means constant. Literal meaning is constant. So for example, 0, it's a constant. 0 means it's a constant. 1, constant. A name, when you're writing a name, Ashwin, already given a value, is a constant. So Vidur, so is a constant. So these values are called as literal. Literals are of different types that we will see later. Constant values are called as literals. Then comes operators. As you know, you have lots of operators available. Arithmetic operators, logical operator, arithmetic operators, plus, minus. Star means multiplication, slash means division. Then you have greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and you have or, and many operators also. So operators means we are doing some operations on it. So that's why it's called operators. That is one of the tokens. Then we have punctuators. Punctuators means comma, semicolon, quotes, triple quotes, double quotes, all these kinds of things. Brackets, okay, square bracket, round bracket, curly bracket, all these kinds of, all other extra symbols are called as punctuators. To punctuate the sentence are called as punctuators. Delimiters are ending line. For example, this is a delimiter. Delimiter is the ending. This means that a end of something. So it's a full colon. That key is available in keyboard. So this explanation of this will is coming down. So that time you can write. So what are the different tokens available? Keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, punctuators, and delimiters. Okay, now let's see keywords. So I have told you reserved for some purpose. Examples of keywords. So you can note it down. Keywords are reserved words by Python. Reserved word of the compiler or interpreter which can't be used as identifier are called as keywords. Lots of examples are there. For examination, you can write 1 or 2 examples. This is a reserved word, exe, not, finally, as, and, assert, for, pass, break, from, print. It will be having lots of keywords. Why? This Python will be having lots of keywords. What can be the reason? Evelyn? Lots means LOADS, lots of keywords. Why? What can be the reason? I'm asking you, Evelyn. Evelyn? No idea. Meenakshi? What can be the reason of hundreds and thousands of keywords? Meenakshi?
Don't know, ma'am.
Smiling is not enough. Please say the answer. Thinking. Gauri?
No,
What can be the reason? No idea. Anyone? Try. Unmute and say the answer. No. Finally, I will ask Aryan. Aryan, he will say the answer. What can be the reason, Aryan?
Because there are lots of words in English language.
What can be the reason? It's almost half, it's correct. Lots of things can be done using this Python language. You can create games. You can have a website development, everything. 11. Excuse me, just a moment.